I can't.
How's it going today? Today I have a box of 2021 Illusions football. 3 autographs, 2 mem cards per box. The stuff I've seen open online, I've seen a lot of really nice clean hits out of this. So I'm kind of hoping for the same. A lot of numbered cards. In the past, Illusions wasn't one of my favorites, but this set this year looked really clean, so I figured I'd go for it. Give it a shot, see if I can get something decent out of it. But anyway, here we go. Oh, first pack. Trevor Lawrence. Shining Stars to $2.99. And then patch card, Steve Young and Zach Wilson. So that's what I'm talking. The first 2 cards out of this pack are nice. I don't see it numbered anywhere. But very nice card. Flip it around. We got a Tua, Cortland Sutton, and a Jacob Harris. So I think I see how these have to be open. So we gotta come out this way. Justin Jefferson. Guy's having a stud season. There's another guy having a great season. Kyle Trask. Mac Jones. This is probably just the patch. Yep, Mac Jones patch. I did have an autograph of his from, it was like Leaf something, but I sold it. But it's a nice card. Clear shots, Justin Fields, not numbered. So, yeah, this is a really good product. I really like it. At least from what I've seen opened, and just out of the couple packs I've opened up so far, it's been pretty nice. All right, Justin Herbert. A lot of the top rookies from last year, too. Saquon, that's my boy. Jalen Hurts. Cam Akers. I think they're bringing him back for the playoffs. To $2.49. And then a Trevor Lawrence Masters. Or Mystique, I'm sorry. Go. All right. Cam Newton. Ryan Tannehill. Let's skip that one for a second. Jamar Chase. Not covering his head. It's a nice card. I like these cards. Always have. All right, let's see who. That's a Jaguar. I think it's, yep. There we go. To 50. I know he's hurt this year. Travis Etienne Jr. It's not a bad autograph to get. All right. So, we got a Mac Jones base. Chuba Hubbard. Justin Fields. Shoot, all the top guys. Kinye. Is this a fake? Just a fake. And then a Joe Burrow King of Cards. That's clean. Red. Numbered at $3.99. Getting some nice cards today. Pretty happy with that. All right, Sean. I like that. Is that the same Sean Taylor? Yeah, kind of thrown in. A great player. Jonathan Taylor. What a season he's had. Well, already gave up the next card. Trey Sermon. An auto, or, yep, Deuce McAllister. I haven't heard that name in ever. I used to have his rookie auto to $199. And then Trey Lance, King of Cards. So I've gotten pretty much all the top quarterback rookies, whether in an insert or a base. So Kamara, Davis Mills, Jared Goff, Mac Jones to 99. That's nice. And then a Greg Kittles, Illusionist. All right, 3 more. I think I have 1 more auto out of these 3 packs. All right, Cornell Powell, Keenan Allen, Anthony Schwartz. I think this is it. Patrick Mahomes clear shots. I think this is the RPA. First impressions, yeah. I've gotten a lot of, and this is the Anthony Schwartz rookie. I've gotten a lot of Minnesota Viking rookies this year. I've gotten a few of his. Got a few Kellen Mond autographs. So, see what happens in the next few years. All right, let's get a really, really short print card here. Let's hope for one. So we got a Dwayne Eskridge, Josh Jacobs, Kenneth Gainwell. There you go, Rondell Moore. He's a good receiver out of Arizona. $3.99. Terrence Marshall Jr. to $149. Mystique. All right, last pack. Let's see what we get out of here. Hopefully we get something good. Thick, but I'm sure it's a fake card in there. Tim Tebow. Get it. Second time around. Nico Collins. Had a good reception this weekend. Cam Akers. Ooh, Sam Darnold. Oof. Yeah. Your season turned around real quick. And then Justin Fields, Mystique. But, so anyways, very nice product. Would be one I wouldn't mind buying another 1 or 2 out of. Really enjoyed it. But thank you all for watching. Subscribe and like if you would. You all have a wonderful day and take care. Thank you. Bye.